In this quick video, I want to show you how to set up a portable toilet onto your real toilet commode. It's fairly simple to do. Right now it's in portable mode to where I can just carry it. So the only thing you have to do is collapse it like this. Put your legs right here. This little swivel part goes up like this, and it will click on to the hinges here. You don't need a screwdriver, and it pops in like that. Very secure. Okay. On average, you want this, these are adjustable right here. They go from anywhere from 16 inches to 22 inches depending on the height of the patients. On average, this little link here is between 5 and 4 on commode. Try 4 on each 4 legs at first. And the only thing you have to do is just hover it over your toilet. You want the metal piece to be as close as possible to the hole of the toilet. So you can see there. All right. And this metal part is really only for bedside toilets. So let's say you have this portable toilet near your bedside. You got the bedpan here. And of course we know we can drop that in there, the bedpan. All right, this metal part, you have to have it near your bedside or you won't have any back support. So if you're setting it up on a real toilet, you just push these little things here on both sides. They click here real easy. Let me put this on here. A lift. All right. And then you adjust that. And you should be good to go. I'll put in the comment section where you can get this particular one's a Medline. I'll put in the comment section where you can get this off of Amazon for like 35 bucks. Pretty affordable. And of course, as you know, with the portable toilet, it's got the main things, it's got these arms where you can push up like this. Very, very handy. And of course, you can reach it higher. Gentlemen watching this video, if you're person who is using this toilet for medical reasons, make sure if you're doing number 1 on the toilet that you lift this part up, of course. But when you're done, make sure you put it back down, because you do not want your loved one to fall into that or to sit down on that. It's not comfortable. So always make sure that that's down. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.